For businesses aiming to simplify inventory management, reduce risk, and scale across multiple platforms, dropshipping remains a powerful model when executed with the right tools. Doba stands out not just as a product sourcing platform, but as a complete backend solution for entrepreneurs and retailers looking to grow efficiently, minimize overhead, and maintain full control over operations. So in this video, we will explore how to strategically use Doba for sustainable dropshipping growth, covering its mobile experience optimization, deep supplier sourcing tactics, and automation tools that help manage multi-channel operations. So let's break it down into actionable strategies. I personally believe managing a business should not be limited to a desktop screen. With Doba's enhanced mobile interface, users now have the flexibility to access critical features from anywhere. Whether you are tracking new orders, analyzing supplier performance, or updating your store listing, the redesigned mobile platform supports faster decision-making and seamless navigation. Key highlights of the mobile optimization include real-time notification for new orders, inventory changes, and supplier updates, streamlined product search with improved filtering and faster load times, one-tap actions to add products to list, place orders, or contact support. This mobile-first approach ensures that your business operations do not pause when you are away from your desk. For dropshippers managing multiple stores or high order volumes, this kind of accessibility is not just convenient, it's essential for maintaining responsiveness. And one of the most overcooked factors in long-term dropshipping success is supplier consistency. While many platforms provide access to products, Doba gives users the ability to evaluate, sort, and select suppliers based on quality metrics. So here's how to approach supplier selection strategically using Doba. The first is start with niche-specific filter. Instead of browsing generic product categories, use Doba's filter to narrow down shipping location, fulfillment speed, or pricing model. This ensures that the supplier you are seeing align with your logistical needs. The second is evaluate supplier ratings and history. Doba provides transparent supplier performance metrics, including fulfillment rates, cancellation trends, and feedback from other sellers. Prioritize suppliers with a proven track record, especially those with high consistency over time. The next one is shortlist based on MOQ and profit margin. Many beginners fail to account for minimum order quantities or tight margins. With Doba, you can compare multiple suppliers for the same product and select the one offers the best combination of reliability and profit. The fourth is track inventory volatility. Use Doba internal tools to monitor stock level changes. Suppliers with frequent stock outs may distribute your listing and lead to negative customer experience. Long-term dropshipping depends on predictability. By applying these strategies, you are not just sourcing product, you are building a curated supplier network designed for growth. And a single store operation may be a starting point, but serious growth often requires expansion into additional sales channels. Doba supports integrated with platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and more, allowing you to operate a distributed retail system without additional complexity. So let's break down how to use Doba to manage multi-channel fulfillment effectively. So you can push product listing from Doba directly into different store platforms. This includes product description, images, and real-time inventory sync. One setup, there is no need to manually update listing every time a supplier changes stock levels or prices. And all incoming orders, regardless of source, can be monitored and fulfilled through Doba's backend. This eliminates the need to switch between accounts or tools to manage shipping or processing. And cross-channel fulfillment can lead to confusion around return policies. Doba distributes the return tools, sterilize the process, so whether a new customer orders from Amazon stores or WooCommerce site, you are backed by consistent policy and centralized support. This kind of infrastructure reward allows dropshipping business to grow without being buried in logistics. And beyond daily operation, Doba offers several tools designed for long-term profitability and performance improvement. Here's how to leverage them. The first is profit margin calculator. Before listing a product, use Doba built-in calculator to determine your net margin after supplier costs, shipping, platform fees, and promotion. This ensures that you are not operating on assumption and protects your bottom line. The second is automated inventory sync. Instead of manually adjusting stock every day, activate Doba real-time sync feature to automatically reflect accurate availability across your all store. And this avoids overselling or customer complaints due to stock out. Number third is order automation. With rule-based automation, you can predefine triggers such as auto-fulfilling orders from specific suppliers or categories. This reduces manual tasks and ensures consistency even as your orders volume increase. The fourth is data export for reporting. Use Doba export options to download transaction history, supplier performance, or product movement data. Analyzing this regularly helps identify trends and fine-tune your product's mix or pricing strategies. And these tools are not just convenience, they are foundational to building a system that scales without compromising control. Also, a professional dropshipping operation must also be prepared for disruption. This includes having contingency suppliers, testing new product categories, and ensuring platform diversity. Here's how Doba supports those goals. First is multiple supplier sources. Many products have more than one supplier on Doba. This allows you to switch instantly in case of supply chain issues. The next one is trial order feature. You can place text orders to check packaging, delivery speed, and customer experience before scaling up a product. And also you have private label opportunities. For sellers looking to transition into more branded product lines, Doba offers access to a wide label product and custom packaging options. Scalability is not just about adding more products, it's about making your system resilient and adaptable. And in a competitive e-commerce landscape, software and system determine the winners. Doba has consistently evolved its platform to provide more than just sourcing, offering a structured ecosystem where business owners can operate, analyze, and expand without friction. So let's recap the strategic advantage. You will get end-to-end integration with major platforms, transparent supplier data for informed sourcing, automated tools to reduce daily workload, mobile optimized interface for instant access, and multi-store management from one dashboard. When all of these elements work together, they form a streamlined pipeline from supplier to customer, a model that supports both small-scale entrepreneurs and high-volume operations. Whether you are just beginning to expand your product catalog or managing hundreds of monthly orders, having a reliable backend infrastructure is not optional. It's a requirement for sustainable growth. Doba offers not only the tools to support that growth, but the strategic control to make smarter decisions at every stage. So if you are ready to build a business that operates with precision, efficiency, and scalability, Doba is built for that level of ambition. So start optimizing your dropshipping strategy today with the system that gives you full control and the flexibility to grow on your own terms. And don't forget to watch this video if you want to learn more about Doba.